So, hi guys, it's me again, Claire Marie Emerton. And so, I have my sister here. She's just our first blogger. And can you like for her? And can you plan for her? Can you vote for her? She's Mary RMDN family. Look at she. She's just a first vlogger, and I'm going to subscribe to her. Yes, so I can vote for her, and she's going to vote for me too. Yeah, and she's going to upload some many videos, so I could download. I could subscribe, search her name. Search her name, subscribe, like, and comment. What a beautiful you are.